Uy, masarap pala food dito sa Instagrammable cafe na to sa Santa Maria. Tara, yung mga kanusan nyo ba ang nalaman ko? Kami nabadpad din sa TYK Commercial Building, Bypass Road, Barangay Santa Clara, Santa Maria, Bulacan para mag-food trip sa Z Coffee. Yes, maraming food na pagpipilian dito. Starting with their appetizers, you can order garlic kiss calamares sa masarap dahil na din sa tender texture nito at complementing sauce. At meron din chicken and shrimp gamba sa may bold savory taste. If health conscious ka, perfect itong Caesar salad, protein barbecue chicken salad, at watermelon green salad. There's something unique and talagang masarap yung mix and fusion of flavors. For snacks, pwede ka mag-chicken sandwich at tuna sandwich. And bet din namin yung kanilang French toast sa may mildly sweet and creamy hint and its buttery and rich taste. For pasta, meron silang toyo pasta, vegan longganisa pasta, wild mushroom truffle linguine at house meat pomodoro na hindi super asim pero pamasa yung sweet hint at generous yung sauce. For rice meals, meron silang tosilog and tapsilog na perfect for breakfast, fire-grilled pork chop na one of my favorites dahil sa serving at lasa, at meron ding Ilocos style bagnet at Z-Signature sisig na mapapakanin ka sa linamnam. And for drinks, dahil na-feature na natin last time ang mga coffee nila, let's go naman sa refreshers nila. Like homemade iced tea and lychee iced tea for iced tea drink, lychee shake, mango shake, and four season shake for fresh fruit shakes na walang tapon dahil lahat masarap. At kung trip po mag-cocktails lalo na sa gabi, you can try their Amaretto Sour, Irish Coffee, Negroni, Tequila Sunrise, Aperol Spritz, at Mojito na tamang-tama for chill nights dito. At syempre masarap din itong kanilang dessert na tiramisu inspired. They have free wifi kaya pwede kayo mag-work dito. May parking area, may delivery through Foodpanda and GrabFood. May live acoustic every Friday and Saturday. Plus, may mga board games din sila na available dito. This is your operating hours. Kung pupunta kayo ha, o ano pa hinintay nyo? Tara na at mag-food trip at chill sa Z Coffee. Let's go!